Hey, sorry, the last video got crashed and I had to restart from this particular point. Let's continue. Let's continue from here. So far, we have completed this frame, shapes, text, and let's complete the hand tool now. What is this? When we were in this move tool and we were selecting this frame, we were able to move it, our page, right? But we had to select it first, then we were able to do it. With hand tool, nothing. Just click and move your page wherever you like. Comments. It's self explanatory. Once I click it anywhere in the page, I can leave some comments. So does your clients, your business boss. Anyone can leave comments. Once I write something, I can add image in the comment. I can add emojis. I can mention someone just like we do on WhatsApp or Messenger, and we can leave that comment. Next time the person came here, can see the comment. Oh, sorry, my bad. Can see the comment and reply on that. You will get notified once they reply. And once this is done, you can delete it. You can mark it as a result and whatever you feel like. It's up to you. Now, we are so far done with all of the tools except this pen tool and this resources. The most powerful thing is entire Figma is the resources. We will deeply try to see how within few seconds we can design our webs. We can convert our design into a live website. Figma will do the coding for us. We will try to see that. Let's move on. Let's move on. Let's move on. Once this comment is done, you can mark it as resolved. So the comment is gone. Don't delete it so that you can find it later on in the history or somewhere. We are so far happy. What if I want to download this image and send it to my boss or maybe the person I'm hiring, maybe to a freelancer, maybe to my junior? Let's take a new shape. For example, this is the great design. This is, for example, this is maybe a good design. So now I want to export, I want to save and send it to my junior. Two ways to do it. Click on share. Oh, Figma has restored share, please. Okay. Maybe I have used the temporary email. That's why maybe Figma restricted me. But um, once I am done with the design, I can copy the link and send it to my junior. He or she can open this file and see without having any Figma account. They can open this link and they will be seeing this design. Pretty much it. Next, way two is click on this frame, this name, scroll down, click on export, select the extension you like, JPG, SVG, PDF, however you like, click on PNG and click on export. It will download the entire design for you. See, this is the design. Now you can send it to your junior or whoever. Now, another interesting thing, as a developer, we need a lot of icons. So if any design or any section we want to copy as an SVG, maybe this one I want to copy an SVG, maybe an arrow. Now, if I want to copy this and paste it in my code without downloading this, I can right click and copy as SVG. Now, if I open my VS Code, I can paste it this SVG and work with just like a normal SVG. That's it. Now, don't say please, you're on it. Go away. Now, So we can work with the things. Let's move on in the next video and try to see other thing as well. Bye bye.